I wanted to use these downloads that I just put up on my shop. They come with 2 pages of Botanicals painted on, watercolored on vintage ledger paper. I print mine with 2 to a sheet so that I have the right size for my journal. I have some scrap pieces of paper, some glue, some tape, some vintage words on paper and printed words on paper. And I just thought we would do a couple layouts showing you how to use the printables that I just put up in the shop. I've had some people ask, they've wanted me to do more journal tutorials, like laying things out and working in a journal. So I thought I would do a couple of layouts for you today showing you how to use these printables. I just audition things. I lay things out and position them. This one I'm doing as a 2-page layout, so it's kind of like they complement each other, but sometimes I will use one side as one layout and the other side as another layout. And so I'm just going to continue working in this journal, showing you how I position things, and I'm just going to put it to music and you can just kind of watch. Basically, all I'm doing is making sure I have a subject on this side and a sub-subject on the other side. If I do 2 different layouts, I make sure that both of them have a subject. So it just flows that way as long as I know I have a subject matter. That's what printables work. That's why I like the printables. And in this, I'm using the printables. I'm not using the originals. I like using the printables. I don't know. So I like using them. So anyways, I'm just going to let you watch. And if you have any questions, just let me know.